Hi everyone, my name is Gina Consolo, Channel Marketing Manager with Yamaha Unified Communications. I'm at Exertis E4 in Teaneck, New Jersey, and today we're showing off our CS-800 and CS-500 video sound bars. These are our newest product. They are both certified for Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Simple USB plug-in, and they are the best audio quality of any video soundbar on the market today. Comes with this handy dandy remote, where you can do manual zoom if you'd like, or there's a ton of features built in to from face focus beamforming to smart framing to AI, facial recognition. This has it all. So if you're looking for a video soundbar, we've got you covered. For more information, go to uc.yamaha.com.